What makes us no longer fear darkness at night? What makes the glory of civilization no boundaries? From the staggering advance of ancient civilizations, to intelligent technology within reach, why has the slow evolution of tens of thousands of years advanced so rapidly in the past 300 years? Electricity is the only answer. Yangzhou, a famous engineering electrical city in China. China Electric Equipment, Jiangsu, Transformer Manufacturing Company, Ltd. Rooted in this electric island city, born to the light. It has focused on transformer manufacture for more than 30 years with ingenuity, and has three major industries including power transmission and distribution, new energy and system solutions. The main products are 220 kV and below series oil-immersed power transformer, 35 kV and below cast resin dry-type transformer, SG open ventilated dry-type transformer, amorphous alloy dry-type transformer, energy storage step-up substation integrated with converter, mining explosion-proof transformer, frequency conversion transformer, marine series transformer, pad-mounted transformer, high and low voltage switchgear, etc. The products are widely used in new energy, data center, aerospace and aviation, rail traffic, electric power, construction, petrochemical, military and other industries. In recent years, CEEG has developed smart energy storage container products. It applied the field of energy storage, peak regulation, frequency modulation and emergency power supply of power system, and realize efficient integration of energy storage battery pack, power conversion system PCS, energy management system EMS, and battery management system BMS, etc. It realizes the functions of control, protection, measurement and regulation in the process of electric energy storage and release. We CEEG design, develop and manufacture the traction transformer and power transformers in 220 kV, providing continuous power for important functions such as traction retardation and communication signals of rail transit. CEEG is the first in the industry to develop and apply a three-dimensional integrated design cloud platform, achieves customized design, reducing customer operating costs, and prolongs the service life of the equipment. Over the years, we have provided more than 400,000 units of transformers worldwide. CEEG has participated in many projects such as Beijing City Subcenter, China International Import Expo, Shanghai Disneyland, Xiong'an Station of Jingxiong Intercity Railway, Beijing Tianjin Hebei Data Center of China Telecom, Huawei Hubei Quanyan IDC Data Center, Beijing Daxing International Airport, Jinan Yellow River Tunnel, and other key projects in many countries and regions. Go along with giants and keep pace with the world. CEEG works with outstanding domestic and foreign companies such as DuPont, ABB, Siemens, Baowu Steel, and other excellent enterprises to establish long-term strategic partnerships. Foresight, innovation, responsibility, fulfilling the promise of contributing the society with electricity, illuminating China with power, with first-class quality. The National Innovative Enterprise, National High-Tech Enterprise, Top 500 Asian Brands, Jiangsu Province Power Transformer Equipment, Engineering Technology Research Center, Jiangsu Province Private Science and Technology Enterprises. CEEG is making continuous progress towards the goal of being a leader in the power transmission and distribution industry. In the middle, major changes unseen in a century. CEEG holds dreams in mind, forges ahead, delivering premium power to the world.